Welcome to my channel Tree Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make cocoa crunch bars. In a large bowl, add in the grounded cornflakes, Rice Krispies, Digestive Biscuits, Rich Tea Biscuits, the Almonds, Pistachios and Cashews, the chia seeds and the Desiccated Coconut, and mix this together. In a pan on medium heat, melt the butter. Once the butter has melted, add in the golden syrup and mix this in. Once mixed in, now add in the cocoa powder and mix this well into the mixture. Bring this to a boil 2 times. Now mix the syrup into the dry ingredients bowl thoroughly. Now place the mixture into a tray and press into the tray tightly and evenly. Melt the cooking chocolate in a bowl over hot water. Now pour the melted chocolate onto the crisp mix and spread this out evenly. Now melt the white chocolate using the same method. Now using a teaspoon, you can now lightly pour the white chocolate on top in a circular pattern. Any large amounts you can blend in using a thin stick or toothpick. Leave this overnight in a cool, dry, cold place. The next day you can cut into pieces and can be stored in an airtight container. Enjoy these delicious Cocoa Crunch bars. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.